Hello guys, it's me Hassa with WTI and welcome to my kitchen. I love cooking, but sometimes I don't really have the time to deal with garlic chopping, and that's why this product comes into place. This is the garlic powder by Goya, and it's my favorite product from them by far. I've been using this for a long time to cook all my meals and see how granulated it is. So it's very easy to use. This one is the 8-ounce one, and see how it basically disappears in your food when you use it. I use it to make my soups and also to season my meats. See how cool this product is? I've been using it ever since I started cooking, especially for us who don't have a lot of time. Sometimes we don't want to deal with garlic chopping, so we just deal with the garlic powder, which is easier and it still tastes like actual garlic. So if you guys want to cook and you're in a rush, well, this product will be great for you, but that's just my point of view.